Eh bien salut tout le monde, c'est Akai, j'espère que vous allez bien. On se retrouve aujourd'hui pour une nouvelle vidéo. On est toujours sur Collège Football 27. Toujours vidéo qui a été qui est sponsorisée par EA, grâce à qui j'ai pu avoir un code. Merci à eux. On est parti. On va jouer à l'extérieur cette fois-ci. Texas Tech Red Raiders contre les Fresno State Bulldogs. C'est parti. Normalement, hein, c'est extérieur quand tu es tout à gauche. On se met comme ça, on est ready. Comme ça, on va peut-être pouvoir voir ce que je vous avais dit. Attendez, on va peut-être mettre le quart temps en 3 minutes. Bah ouais, parce que 5 minutes, c'était super long. Et on verra que quand on a la balle et qu'on est chez l'adversaire. C'est un peu la merde pour tirer.
It's the Texas Tech Red Raiders and the Fresno State Bulldogs. Along with David Pollack and Jesse Palmer, I'm Reese Davis. Let's go down to Holly Rowe with the latest on the weather.
Well, guys, Coach told me this atmosphere is going to be crucial today. He knows that there's a lot of excitement for this home game, but most importantly, the weather is clear. We were wondering how the forecast would shake out, and it is calm and beautiful. Should be an impactful game here with great weather, great opportunities, and a fast surface. Guys, back to you.
Okay, Holly. And the Red Raiders headed for the ball, and we're ready for...
Allez, on est parti les amis. Alors c'est une bonne chose qu'on envoie la balle, parce que à la fin du second quart-temps, si on arrive à bien gérer, on pourra avoir 2 touchdowns d'affilée. Il faut bien gérer ça par contre.
They all can get after the quarterback. They can get tackles for a losses, get you in passing situations, and when they do, they hit you and hit you a lot and disrupt the timing. So he's got a tremendous challenge on his hands.
He's got a challenge. His offensive coordinator has a challenge too, because he's got to find a way to make life easy for him, and that's easier said than done against this D-line unit. They have so much speed off the edge. Even the interior guys can collapse the pocket and get pass rush as well. So for the offensive coordinator, whether it's screens, nakeds, bootlegs, moving the launch point, draws, just trying to get the ball to this guy's hands early, that's going to be a big key.
4 et 8. Ouais, ils vont le tenter. Non, ils ne tentent pas. Ils putt. Coup de pied. Allez. On va essayer de faire un truc de fou. Hop. Hop.
He's got great speed. And there he goes.
Aïe, 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 punaise. Je savais pas quoi faire là pour le coup. First and goal. Ah, elle est terrible celle-là. Elle est terrible celle-là. Une belle course. Vous voyez un peu, regardez les flèches. Elles vont commencer à bouger dans tous les sens. Là, le R1, vous voyez où il y a R1, il me reste 9 secondes. C'est pas le plus explicite là. Touchdown. Nickel, chrome.
You got such great field position. Obviously, when the offense starts in such a good spot, puts the defense in a bad position, and the offense takes advantage.
Ouais, voilà. On va pas tenter le 2 points. Ça sert à rien. Un petit 7-0 pour démarrer, on est pas mal.
That's taking advantage of a golden opportunity set up with great field position, and they struck quickly from the touchdown.
Ouais, trop loin. Ils vont s'arrêter là. Ah non, la course.
They'll snap it from the 10 for the first play of this drive. The give to the running back from the shotgun. They'll knock him down for a loss of a couple. After getting knocked back to open this drive, it's 2nd and 12.
Allez, 3 et 5. Si on bloque celle-là, vu que c'est l'IA, elle va put, donc on serait bon. Faudrait juste qu'on stoppe celle-là, qu'on recule peut-être un petit peu. Un petit sac, ce serait bien. Non, ça passe. On repart en first and 10.
Wants to throw on first down. And the pressure was too much. They get him at the 15.
Well, this is a quarterback who's not known for his running ability, obviously. We've seen him make some great
2-21 quand même là, le quarterback il a mal géré pour le coup. Parce qu'il a voulu faire. Oh, il est passé. 3-18. Pas sûr que ça passe là. Les 4 et 13, Gigi. Ah bah ouais, il botte. Tout à l'heure à 4 et 5, il bottait. 4 et 13, il tente, je comprends plus. Ouais, on va peut-être la retenter, hein. On va passer à gauche. What? Ah, je me suis fait serrer. Non. Là, le stade, vous voyez, Stadium Pulse, ça commence. Vous voyez les traits à gauche, et quand c'est le tout en rouge, il n'y a plus rien qui va. Des fois, on n'a même pas les icônes de X, Y, rond, croix, tout ça. Hop. Ah, wow. C'était pas bon, ça. Par contre, c'est pour ça qu'il faut avoir le schéma en tête. Par exemple, je vais prendre tout à gauche, Y-Trail. Il faut que je me mette le schéma en tête parce que si jamais le stade est en effervescence comme là, donc là j'ai mon jeu et plus ça va pulser et moins encore ça va là. D'habitude c'est tous les trucs. Ça passe. Mais non! Allez, on l'attend, franchement. Qui ne tente rien à rien, mais là, R1. Normalement ça passe. Oh, pour pomper un touchdown à la clé. On est bon là. Ah, on est bon.
On these critical fourth downs, as a quarterback, you've got to find your best matchup, and they didn't just get the first down. He had his guy one-on-one. He took a shot, and it pays off for a huge score.
Hop là, là c'est. Pas les emmener trop loin parce que le mec il va stopper là.
The drive starts from their own 25-yard line. He wastes no time and comes out throwing. Flips it out on the screen. And with that stop, we are headed toward the end of the first quarter.
Allez, première quart-temps terminée. De petit temps fort ou pas, je ne sais pas.
They were able to build that lead into double figures. Let's take a quick look at our early stats before we move on. They largely dominated the first quarter and built a nice lead to get started. Had a chance to talk it over during the break, and they'll start with second down. Martin will throw it. He just got rid of that one to save the down. Didn't see anything he liked. Not exactly the ideal situation for this offense. Third and long, back up inside their 20. They'll move the tight end. On third and long, you'll need to push it downfield. Could not make his way to the corner.
And that is exactly what you want on third down defense, man. You want to drop back and you want to make sure the ball doesn't get pushed down the field.
Alors, je tiens à préciser que pour l'équipe adverse, j'ai fait random. Hein. J'ai pas choisi contre qui jouer.
But he does a great job breaking on the football, making sure he doesn't get the first down. Really good team defense.
Let's see if they can get
Pourquoi il veut que je joue?
going here late in the half.
Pourquoi pas, hein. On va essayer comme ça.
Trying to move them on the counter. Crosses the 45.
Et...
They drop him at the 47-yard line, but he'll have plenty to move the sticks. The offense will put it in play from the 47 on 1st and 10. This time he wants to throw. He's taking the shot. Grabs it inside the 15. Into the end zone. Touchdown,
et voilà,
Red
le
Raiders.
petit touchdown qui fait bien. Il fait du bien plutôt. Ah, c'est chiant de jouer trop près comme ça. C'est marrant. 21-0 quand même, on est bien. Après, c'est contre l'IA. Ah, on va pas se mentir, en ligne. Comme j'ai dit, je vous ferai une vidéo, mais à mon avis, je vais rager. Hein. Le nombre d'interceptions qu'il y a dans ce jeu en multi.
He was looking for some running room, but not much to be found as he stopped at the 18. They've got a little time here to put together a productive drive late in the half. Tight end in motion, see how the D reacts. From the gun.
Oh mais non, il était dessus.
The defense there to make the stop, and he barreled right into the teeth of the monster and picked up 4. Halfway there on 1st down, it's 2nd and 5. Whistle blows, we are at the 2-minute timeout, and man, oh man, could these guys use a score to cut into this lead. Quarterback by himself in the backfield. Martin back to pass. And it'll be incomplete.
Voilà.
This is some physical pass defense. So what do they have for 3rd and short from their own 23? From the gun, wants to pass.
Oh, il est passé en plus, hein.
He's going to have enough to pick up the 1st down as they stop him at the 33-yard line. They've been steamrolled so far in this first half, David, but maybe a little positive momentum to take to the locker room.
And I like you got the first down of the drive, so maybe you can build on this now. I would play with some tempo.
Vite, il a vite fait bien fait de se débarrasser de la balle pour éviter le sac. Bon, après, 2 et 10, hein.
Misfired on 1st down, back to the air on 2nd.
Mais vous êtes dessus, les gars.
Unloads to the wideout. And that's going to fall to the ground incomplete. That was a physical matchup there. 3rd down coming. And now let's see if the offense can bail itself out after the 2nd down misfire. They'll run the option. Stopped in the backfield. He's going to lose 3 yards on the play. Fresno State will have to punt it away. Wants to bring it back. Everybody stays in their lanes well enough, and they stop him at the 31-yard line. We'll see them really hit the speed button on the tempo here in the final minute of the first half.
Ow! Ça coince, hein?
Pick up as they'll keep this drive moving, and they've got it at the 45. Offense set on 1st down. Snap in the shotgun. Throws to the wideout. That's reeled in. It's Johnson. He's down to the 38-yard line, and they can stop the clock. They're lining up on 1st and 10 from the 38.
Est-ce que ça peut passer là?
It's Hammond.
Là.
Trying to beat the D deep. Goes high to pull it in. Touchdown, Red Raiders. Made the grab.
Aïe, 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 trop bon. Ce que je vous avais dit. Que ce serait bien de marquer un touchdown juste avant la fin du second quart-temps de bot et de repartir merde, j'ai mal tiré, il reste 20 secondes, de repartir sur un touchdown en troisième quart-temps. Sauf s'ils en mettaient un là maintenant.
Maybe if he could have eluded just one or two more guys, it would have been a big return, but they'll mark it at 30. Inside 30 seconds to play in the half, we'll see how aggressive they are on this drive. Complete. Excellent job rallying to the ball, and they knock him down. Clock winding towards 0. They'll get one more snap off. Looking to fire. Here's the pressure. Intercepted. Man, they just can't get anything going. And he's dragged down after the interception.
Ah, on aurait pu intercepter, marquer, re-remarquer au prochain, au troisième quart-temps. Ça aurait été un truc de dingue. Mais bon, on peut pas tout avoir. 28-0 à la fin du second quart-temps. Enfin, carton qui dure 3 minutes pour le coup. Il n'est pas de un quart d'heure ce carton.
Looks like we've got a terrific scene there today in Fresno. This team is on top right now thanks in large part to the play of that burner on the outside. It's like he has glue on his hands, catching every ball that comes his way, and he's helped build this time advantage.
On repart pour un touchdown.
And he takes this from inside the 5. And he'll be stopped. Return gets it out across the 25, stopped at the 26. Texas Tech will start the drive. The offense ready to go.
Non.
And it's incomplete.
En tout cas, il m'a fait mal.
Like that, you might as well hang on to the ball.
Well, the offense has had
Un petit run, ça peut être pas mal aussi. Run de qui?
I'll tell you, after that hit, that receiver, he's going to be thinking twice about running that route again.
Mais non, ça tout dessus. Trop tard.
And the big gain, and they've got it on the 46.
And obviously this offense has had their way, getting the huge lead, and now when you know it's a running situation later in the ball games, you're still getting pounded. This defense has to step up at some point and be a lot more physical.
D coordinators down there that have to play this offense, man, they're going to have nightmares because this unit has so much speed and so much skill. At running back, receiver, tight end, the quarterback making good decisions, it is so tough trying to stop them and prevent explosive plays.
They'll run it in the red zone. It's Dickey.
Oh, on est passé.
Brought down inside the 10-yard line at the 9. The Red Raiders trying to cash it in on 1st and goal. They'll try to get it in with the run.
Oh.
He's brought down at the 6, but the defense feeling the heat to make a stop here. They keep pushing.
Je pense qu'on peut se dégager en faisant des passes là.
Dropping back, it's Hammond. Fires into the end zone. Touchdown, Red Raiders. He got it, beat down in bounds.
On essaye un 2 points.
Just a second, the official's going to take a second look at this one.
Ah.
And they take another look at the play, but the officials on the field were right, and the play will stand. No backs with the quarterback as they line up for the 2. On the move.
No!
Short. They'll bring him down at the 1. He just couldn't get it in. He'll bring it out from inside his own 10. Really
le premier, il a pas voulu, hein.
Unit to get down there and make the stop at the 19. This drive will start from the 19-yard line. Here's the give off the left side. He's going to lose a yard on that one.
Man, we knew the linebackers were the strength of this defense, but coming in the offense, man, they felt really good about their running back. And so far, man, it's been a fun matchup to watch, but advantage to these guys that have been filling gaps, scraping, getting to the football, making plays. This linebacker unit really held down this rushing attack that they usually hang their hat on.
4 punts already, and they've got to convert here to avoid a 5th. On 3rd down, he drops to
Le sac.
throw. And the defense makes a play, sacking him back at the 10.
And I wish I could bring you some hope, but man, this defense, again, you know, they already got the lead. They got their ears pinned back. They're rushing the quarterback. I know this one's over, but offensively, let's find a way to protect our guy, put something together. Maybe we find a way to make this respectable at some point in the football game.
Makes a move. He did a great job finding some running room on that return and was able to set up the offense with good field position.
Ouais, des bonnes techniques des fois là.
Send the offense back onto the field. Fires to the wideout. Makes the catch. It's Simmons. What a throw! Not a lot of room. He fits it in beautifully, and they've got it at the 30. Offense trying to keep them off balance on 1st and 10. To the air. It's Hammond.
Là ici.
Fires to the middle. And that incomplete pass caused by the big hit on 1st down. 2nd down coming.
J'aime bien jouer long. J'aime bien jouer long en solo. En ligne, c'est la merde. Ça passe.
It's caught. They finally get to him. What a play there to pick up the 1st down.
Un petit run.
So close to cashing it in for this offense. They'll run it. It's Dickey.
Non.
Nothing doing, and he was lucky to get back to the line of scrimmage at 2nd and goal. As they get set to snap it, time winding down.
Ah, l'un des quatre, là, il y a moyen.
2nd down, they'll go to the air. Going for 6.
Interception.
And it'll be intercepted in the end zone. The play in the end zone, and it'll come out to the 20 on a touchback. That's the end of the quarter, and Texas Tech is on top. This has been a complete obliteration so far, as the 3rd quarter stats will show you. As we enter the 4th quarter, let's see if anything memorable can come from this one.
Allez, go.
They go back to work in the final period of
Le soleil commence à se coucher.
Wasting no time throwing on this drive.
Le sac. Même pas.
Just had to get rid of that one. Good job to avoid the loss. Plenty of work to do here on 2nd and long. They go to the draw.
Ah bah allez dessus les potes.
Down after a gain of 3 to the 23. They've got to come up with a big play on this 3rd and long.
Go.
They'll run play action. And the defense getting a hand in there on 3rd down. Fresno State will have to punt. And these guys have been busy. 6th punt of the day. Wants to return it. And the coverage team able to make the tackle.
Ouais. On va tenter des petits trucs. Ah, c'est le dernier quart-temps, il nous reste 2 minutes. Normalement, on est bon. Ah non, pourquoi je suis passé là?
And that'll be enough for the 1st down, a gain of 13 on the play, and the clock stops for the 2-minute timeout. Here's this offense with a fresh set of downs. Gives it on the option. Picked up maybe 3 on the play at 2nd and 7.
And I tell you what, it's really nice at this point in the game if you can lean on
J'ai vu
your
une
run
passe
game.
là quelque
When you
part.
have the lead, you've got the football late in the game.
On a le choix là.
Chew that clock and start to really make
R1
that defense have a little
sur
bit
Johnson.
Off play action. Unloads to the wideout. Got a man. It's Johnson. He got loose, almost housed it, finally dragged down at the 32.
Merde, j'ai pas vu une passe.
And the Red Raiders have it with a 1st and 10.
Lee Junior, R1.
Looking to pass. It's Hammond. Throws to the wideout. Complete to the left. And he'll be right out of bounds, and these guys are piling up some serious yardage.
Johnson, direct sur le touchdown.
Right after the huge play through the air, back to the line.
Je suis con, c'était pas une passe. J'ai failli.
Had a good day, but they finally get to him on that run. operating in the red zone here on 2nd down. Not a whole lot of progress made there on the short run. They'd love to pick up this 3rd down and get a fresh set with 1st and goal. Running inside, it's Dickey.
Touchdown. Et on conclut parfaitement ce dernier quart-temps. Il reste moins d'1 minute. Merde, j'ai failli. S'il y a moyen de toper une interception, on peut être vraiment bien même. Hein.
From inside the 15, chance for a good return. Tackled and brought down right at the 20-yard line. Good coverage there. They'll snap it from the 20 for the opening play of this drive. Hand off from the shotgun.
Ils vont jouer en passe courte.
Nothing, and they keep plowing ahead with the running game, and they've got very little to show for it. Give to the running back. Stuffed on back-to-back plays. He got nothing, and now they're...
C'est terminé là, c'est terminé. Terminé. Victoire Texas Tech. Red Raiders. Quelle victoire, 41-0. En tout cas, merci à tous d'avoir participé à la vidéo. N'hésitez pas comme d'habitude à laisser un petit commentaire pour le référencement de la vidéo, un petit j'aime, un petit partage si vous pouvez. Je vous dis à très bientôt. Et on se retrouvera sur College Football pour la prochaine, ce sera en multi. Allez, ciao tout le monde, bye.